folks, Rob here, and today we're going to be mounting the Nikon. This is the 3 to 9 by 40 BDC rectical. We're going to be mounting this on the 350 Legend rifle here, and let me get us a focus lock here. This thing will jump like. There we go. So we're going to be mounting it. I'm going to be mounting it with this Monstrum tactical cantilever mount. Now, for this mount, I'm not sure which way I need to face it, forward or backward. I'm not sure what the eye relief on this scope is, but there's the mount, and inside the box you get, looks like 4 extra screws, and your mount, and your this is a Torx bit, and let's see if we have a Torx that will fit that. Looks like maybe a T15. Let's try that. Yeah, T15. So we'll use our screwdriver here to get it loosened up. Guys, it's kind of cold out here this morning, so I'm just going to loosen these up with the screwdriver rather than the Allen wrench. You may hear a little fan over in the, that's a little heater I got sitting here on the table. I'm kind of blowing across here. Give me a little bit of warmth on my hands. It's was 38 this morning in Kentucky. Supposed to get up to about 60 today. I think it's supposed to be closer to 70 tomorrow, or Thursday, one of the days. So I'm thinking that maybe it'll have to go this way. Now this does have 4 locking lugs on the bottom, if you can see that, and we're going to set it as far forward as it'll go, and I'm just going to reach across here and tighten these down, or at least get them started. We're going to torque them down. Let me turn around where you can see. And we are using our I think that's a CV Life bipod fiber optic, or a carbon fiber, I'm sorry. And I'll torque these down here a little later on to probably about 20 to 25 inch-pounds on this right here. And we're going to take off our scope rings and set them aside. I hope that fan's not too loud on the audio, but it is extremely cold out here. Sun's coming out though. It's going to be a pretty day, I think. Am I blocking the shot? Yeah. So there's our back ring loose, and we'll take our front ring. I know everybody out there knows how to put a scope on a rifle, but I thought I'd just bring you along, show you my process. It's probably no different than what you guys do, and some of you may never have mounted a optic on a AR-15, and if you haven't, this will be a kind of a learning experience. It is for me. I've never mounted a standard scope. I put red dots, and I put that Pinty scope that had the that's what was on this, the Pinty. I think it was a 2.5 by 10. Had the built-in laser and all that gimmicky stuff. So what we got here is our rifle scope. We're going to take it out of the package. And this scope was given to me by our buddy John Burnett. If you haven't watched John's channel, make sure to check it out. He's just started his channel, and I think that's probably going to be too close. Let's put one on there and just kind of snug it down and let me look at it. And we ain't going to tighten it. We ain't going to level it yet. We're just going to see how the eye relief is. I'm thinking I may have to spin that around. Let me pause you here and I'll check the eye relief, and we'll see if we have to go the other direction. Actually, that's perfect. I want to check our rifle here, make sure it's level, or relatively level. across the rail, and it's not. Let's see. Let's get us level here. Slide a piece of cardboard or something under this leg, or let it extend out a little bit. Oh, I forgot it don't extend a little. I don't think it extends just a little bit. Let's just put a piece of cardboard or something under it. Here's a piece of leather. See if that's too much. Actually, it could be a hair thicker. Let's see what we got to go under that. We have a target here. Let's fold this target. Let's see if that brings us up to level. I could put this in my rest. There we go. That's got us up to level. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's got us level across there. Now I want to bring us back and get us level across the scope. Well, these caps look to be a little bit domed, so that may be a problem right here. Yeah, those are domed caps. There's no flat surface to set that on. So let me look at this. Let's see if this. I think this one on the side is more flat. Let's see if it is. I'll tell you what, I can just take those off because it's flat across there. Now let's get us reset here. Let's make sure our rifle's square or level. And it's still level. Now let's put this across our scope. And our scope is way off. So I want to just loosen that enough that I can rotate it. And there, the scope is perfectly level. I'm going to lock that down with just a little bit of pressure. Alright, we got our scope level, we got our eye relief set, and looks like she's ready to put on there and tighten down. So let's put our back base on and start these. I'm trying not to block your view of what I'm doing. And I don't want to go because I want an even gap on these rings on both sides. So I'm gonna just go down to where they touch. And I do think these are pretty well gonna fit together pretty flush. Let's look at them on the other side. Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap on this side, but not a lot. Might loosen this just a hair. And tighten this one just a hair. Same on this one. Loosen it just a hair. Tighten it just a hair. We want that gap to be equal, or as equal as we can get it. I think that's pretty close. And I'm just going to snug them all down. I don't want to tighten any of them yet. We're just getting them started. This is a really nice scope. It was awfully nice of John to give me this to put on this rifle. So anyway, I got us, we're all set there. Put our scope caps back on. This one seemed to be a little flatter. I was going to try and go across that, but going across the turrets is the best deal because they are flat. Alrighty, so let me pause you here a minute and get my torque wrench, my torque screwdriver out so we can set these to inch pounds. Alright guys, I got my wrench set here and I'm going to set these at about 12 pounds and go from there. So we want to do this, we want to tighten them evenly, tighten them all a little bit. I want to crisscross, go from side to side, front to back, back to front. Alright, we've got them all somewhat snug down. Now we're going to come back here and start to torque them. And like I said, I got this set at 12 pounds. And there's that one. 12. 12. 12. It's hard to see across it. I can't see the screw. We're going to go back and repeat the process just to make sure we're good and tight. Alright, that's got us 12 pounds on our scope rings. Now let's flip it. Oh, we don't have to flip it. Let's go up to I'm going to go 25 foot-pounds on these. I don't want to overdo it. That may be too much. This is a steel piece here on the outer edge, so I don't think this would come loose. There's 25. There's 25. There's 25. So anyway, guys, that's got us our Buckmaster, Nikon Buckmaster, and our Monstrum cantilever mount, and we're all set up. All we need now is a rifle range to open and you know, some good weather, and take this thing out and zero it in. I had it zeroed in with the other scope I had on it. Me and John zeroed it the last time that we was at the range, and got it zeroed. But it'll have to be re-zeroed now. So anyway, guys, that's just a quick mounting of the scope on the 350 Legend. Hopefully we'll get to shoot this before long. Guys, don't forget to check out Hamilton Outdoors Facebook group page. Feel free to join that. And if you're not a member of the, if you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and until next video, guys, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.